In this video, I will show you how to install a printer driver. For example, we will use the Epson L3210, but this tutorial is also applicable to other Epson models since the process is almost the same. Let's get started. First, open your browser, such as Google Chrome. Go to Google and search for Epson L3210 driver download. Then click the official Epson website. Make sure to select the correct operating system, such as Windows 10, Windows 11, or Windows 7. Click Go. Next, click Driver. Then click the Download button for the printer driver. Check the box that says, I agree to the software license agreement. After that, click Download. Wait for the download to finish. Now connect the USB cable from the printer to the computer. Make sure the printer is turned on. Locate the setup file or installer. Double-click the setup file. In the Epson setup window, click OK. Select your language, then click OK. Choose Agree to the license agreement. Then click OK. Once the printer is detected, the installation will continue automatically. And that's how easy it is to install an Epson printer driver. These steps are also applicable to most Epson models. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the notification bell. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.